Dear students, solving word problems of SCF and LCM in the chapter playing with the numbers is sometimes a very tricky one because you have to understand here in the word problems that whether you have to find the SCF or LCM. So more you practice, more you will know. So let us take one problem of your textbook, that is traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously once again? So here in the question we are given that there are three traffic lights which are continuously changing after a time of 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. So first of all, we should know that when they will or after how much time will they change simultaneously. So it means here the concept is hidden that number should be the number which should be divisible by 48, 72 and 108. That time will be the common time. If a number is divisible by 48, divisible by 72 and 108, we can think about that. So it means that we are asked here to find the LCM, means you roll of the multiple. So let us find the LCM, means lowest common multiple of these numbers, to judge when these lights will change simultaneously or after how much time they will change. So we have calculated the LCM as usual. You are seeing here on the right hand side that I have taken LCM of 48, 72 and 108, and after some steps it has come out to be 432 seconds. It means that after each 432 seconds these lights will change simultaneously. So initially they were changed at 7 am. It is given in the question. So now we have to decide after 7 am when they will change. So let us convert 432 seconds into minutes and seconds just by dividing it by 60, because we know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So let us divide the 432 seconds by 60. So as you are seeing here that in the quotient we have obtained 7 and the remainder is 12 seconds. So the quotient is telling us the minutes and the remainder is telling us the seconds. So we can say that after 7 am and after 7 minutes and 12 seconds, means what should be the time by the watch? It should be the 7 am, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. After 7 am they will change again simultaneously. That is the answer here. Hoping that all of you would have got this. Thank you.